what you want Santa to bring you for the holidays? If you're that dead guy that committed suicide, then you're gonna get for the holidays the all new Sneezers Triple DVD Pack. And the DVD pack comes with the awesome Sneezers Workout DVD with moves like the wing dance. The wing dance, or reverse it. Kazooie macaroni. Your wings will be buffed up in no time. Let's look at the satisfied customers.
Videos suck. I don't even have wings.
They don't sell these in my store, so just put it in my store. And the DVD pack also comes with Lord of the Wings! Not rings, wings. Don't you see? Wings. Totally wings. Lord of the Wings. Here's my sneak preview of it. Sorry, but we can't let you use that portal that easily. All I want is a home. Gobble, 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 gobble. Let it go. And the DVD pack also comes with